Hi everyone, Nic Ashby from Rockstar Garage, and I'm excited to be teaming up with ODYSSEY to bring you this week's final battery maintenance tip for ODYSSEY Battery during National Car Care Month. As you prepare your vehicle for warmer weather, make sure you're inspecting the case, terminals, cables, and clamps. Battery components can be damaged from acid and corrosion. Replace the damaged cables and clamps, but if it's the case or the terminals themselves, the battery should be replaced. As always, be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for battery care and handling, and always ask help from a battery professional for any questions you may have. To follow the latest ODYSSEY Battery news, make sure you check out our website, www.odysseybattery.com. Also, connect with us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter by using the hashtag MyOdyssey.